minus y plus 0z is equal 0. So clearly this is in this case a surface or a curve. Okay, guess what? How many variables do I have here? Okay, here I have 3 variables. How many equations? 1 equation. So this is a surface. Okay, we call a parabolic cylinder. Okay, I can see this like I'll plot here. I have x squared minus y squared. So let's suppose I have y here and y and x. So this I have the parabola here. Okay, this is z. So this curve, okay, will be repeated. Okay, then I have a surface. Okay, now suppose now I have x squared minus y plus 0 z is equal 0 and z is equal 0. Okay, now I have 3 variables, okay, and 2 equations. So in this case, I'll write here, this case I have a curve. Degree of freedom is equal 1 because I have 2 equations and 3 variables. You see, it's becoming clear for you to understand how degree of freedom is very, very important. You see? Now, let's give more examples. Okay? Suppose in the high school, okay, you have the following example. Okay? Here. X plus y is equal 10. X minus y is equal 4. Okay? Now, in the high school, you don't talk about R3. Okay? You could, but this is the plane. But in R3, you should put over here 0z plus 0z. You see? Now we have 3 variables and 2 equations. Now, 3 variables and 2 equations, what do you mean? So the degree of freedom, okay, will be